Installing a riser card.
Align the riser card with the riser bracket and install it in the riser bracket.
Install the 2 screws to secure the riser card to the bracket.
Install the PCIe adapter.
Carefully press the riser assembly straight down into the slot until it is fully seated. Install the top cover.